Hi everyone, welcome to Cache Walks. We're in Rotorua at the moment and we're off to see two crater lakes and to complete an earth cache.
It's through a wonderful, wonderful forest. So come with us and see what we see.
After breakfast, we headed out around Lake Rotorua, heading for a walk along Ngāhuapua track to the crater lakes. We turned inland, heading for the forest-covered hills.
The parking co-awards for the earth cache brought us to the Okataina Outdoor Education Centre with lots of space to park. Out with our camera gear and off to the trailhead and the start of the walk.
Okay, 877 metres, not too far, let's go.
It takes about an hour, depending on how long you stop and look at the forest and the views.
The forest has some large rimu, totara, rata and kahikatea. The ground around here is beautifully carpeted with the indigenous filmy fern, piri piri.
Isn't that pretty? Very fine.
We came across this large tree trunk on the forest floor. The track leads up to the crater edge, 100 metres above the lake. There are sheer drop-offs here, so if you have young children you need to be very, very careful.
I can see the crater lake down there, but whoa, that looks steep. I don't want to slip. Well, you can see the crater lake there very well.
The twin volcanic craters formed 3,750 years ago.
And it was on to find the next waypoint for the earth cache.
Bit of an obstacle to get over. It's fine, no problem.
Here you have to describe the shapes of the craters and find a rocky outcrop to identify the type of magma erupted here. We headed on to other viewing points along the crater rims.
Magnificent rata vines are growing here.
It's pretty cool.
These trees are wonderful, aren't they? Bye!
Then it was on to another geocaching adventure.
Thanks for watching! And don't forget to go geocaching!